Hey, today I have a very good trading strategy that works really well in the markets. The strategy consists of 11, 21 and 50 EMA. The 50 EMA will show us the trend. The 11 and 21 EMA are used as confirmations. We need the RSI, on default settings, the WAE explosion indicator which will act as volume indicator, and the ATR bands with a multiplier of 2. Now, the rules for this strategy are simple. For a buy trade, the price must be in an uptrend, the 11 must cross 21 EMA upwards, the RSI must be above 50, and the WAE must print a green candle, and the candle must print above the moving average line in the dead zone. The rules for sell trades are the opposite of the rules of the buy trades. Let me show you some examples on the Euro-USD 1-hour timeframe chart. Here is an example for a sell trade. All rules are met, so we sell on candle close and play stop loss 2 times ATR away from entry. Here is a trade that lost. But that is not a problem, because more winning trades will come. Here is another example of a sell trade that won and covered the loss of the previous trade. This is a long trade. All rules are met, so we buy on candle close. Now here, all indicator gave a signal, but the price took way too long to cross below the price, so we skipped the trade. This is a losing trade. Here is a sell trade that won and covered the loss of the previous trade as well. This is an example of a buy trade that also won. Put this strategy to the test and optimize it and make it your own. This strategy is not perfect and it can be improved a lot. For an optimization you can start with, say for example, if you were in a buy trade and the price crossed below the 50 EMA, before hitting your TP target, you exit the trade. This is an example of optimization. Do your research and try to improve it. See you in the next one.